If you got beauty, just raise them up, cause every inch of you is perfect from the bottom to the top.
Hello, I'm Danielle of Mona Lisa Smiles, and you can call me Dee. You're watching Curvy Chronicles. This week on Curvy Chronicles, we're going to be taking a look at the best corsets for beginners. It can be difficult at the best of times to figure out which style corset is the best for your body. And it can be especially difficult if you are a little bit curvier like me, because there's just not a lot of information out there tailored to a plus-size body. Now, there is no simple answer in how to determine which one to choose. There's a few different factors that you have to take into consideration. The first factor that you should be taking into consideration is your measurements. An accurate set of measurements is going to tell you exactly which size corset you should be ordering. The next thing to take into consideration is whether or not you're looking for an over or under bust corset. Now, an over-bust corset can give you great support in the bust. However, that doesn't mean you should completely discredit an under-bust corset. In fact, sometimes the under-bust corset can actually give you more support in the bust because you're actually able to wear it with your own bra. The great thing about that is that your bra is sized for you individually, so you make sure that you're getting the exact level of support and comfort that you want. The other great thing about an underbust corset is that you can very easily pair your underbust corset with a matching bra to give you that overbust look, as Rachel has done here. The next thing to consider is body shape. Now, we have touched on this in previous weeks on Curvy Chronicles, and I will link those in the description box down below. Identifying your specific body type will really help you make sure that you're getting the best comfort and fit for your body. Somebody who is pear-shaped is going to suit a different style corset than somebody who is apple-shaped. If we are wearing the wrong style corset for our body type, we do run the risk of having it sit in ways that are unflattering on our body. It's when this happens that you run into the risk of having a muffin top from your tummy peeking out underneath your corset, or from having back bulges because the corset doesn't sit up high enough on your torso. The last thing to consider is style. There are so many beautiful curvy options available that you really can make sure that you're getting the perfect corset to match your personal style. A few things to keep in mind when you're just starting out is that generally steel bone corsets are a great option for beginners. Steel bone corsets are very versatile. They'll give you that beautiful hourglass figure you're looking for and can be worn over or under clothing. So they make them a great versatile option. It's important to remember when you first put on your corset that it should fit snug but comfortably to your body. If there is no gap in the back of your corset where the laces are, it means your corset is actually too big and you should be sizing down. On a standard steel bone corset, before seasoning, you should have roughly a 3 to 4 inch gap in the back. A great versatile corset for beginners is the Valentina, which I'm wearing now. The great thing about this corset is that it does sit under the bust, so if you are curvier up top and looking for that extra support, you can still wear it with your own bra. It also sits high enough on your hip that if you are a little bit more pear-shaped, it's not going to squeeze in and put any additional pressure on your hips. And this beautiful peak detail will make sure that it sits down low enough on your tummy that nothing peeks out the bottom when you start cinching in your waist. The easiest way to make sure that you are getting the perfect corset for you is to contact the dedicated team at TrueCorset's website for a consultation. Making recommendations to you based on your measurements, body type, and preferred corset style is what we pride ourselves in, and frankly, what we do best. Let us know in the comment section down below if you have any questions about the Valentina corset or any of our other beautiful curvy options. As always, like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell down below so that you don't miss out on anything Curvy Chronicles. Thank you so much for watching.
Mama, she told me don't worry.